Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kina Rhymes, and I'm your founder, and I'm the founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so today I'm here to introduce a new way to make money with arbitrage. So today I'll be converting Naira to Cedis to dollars and make profits. And I'll also do it Cedis to Naira to dollars. Yeah. So it depends on where the opportunity is. So when you do your calculation very well and say that okay, this one is higher than this one is lower than this, and this one, if you convert this one to dollars, maybe the percentage for it to rise is very high than converting, let's say, Naira to dollars. You see that thing? Yeah. So before you do everything, first of all, let me show you how you can load your thing and how you can download the app. So the app name is called Eversend. So when you go to your app store, you just search Eversend on App Store or Google Play Store. Yeah. So when you come to the platform, you see that your account will be activated when you verify everything, and you see your account here. So when you click on this left arrow thing, then you activate, because like some will be like this, you see, inactive wallet. So you just have to activate the wallet you want, and all these wallets are opportunities to make money. So let's assume that you are in Ghana, but you know that Ghana cedis compared to, let's say, Ghana shillings is low. You cannot buy Ghana shillings, and when it goes up, then you exchange it to make profits. It's very simple as that. So today I'll be using Naira, Ghana cedis, and USD, that's US dollars, to do it. Yeah. So if you are in Ghana, right now, converting Ghana cedis to Naira is high. Ghana cedis have more value than Naira when you want to use it to buy dollars. And when you are using Nigeria Naira and you convert it to Naira, Ghana cedis is very low, like it's very little. It's like then. So, but when you have Ghana cedis and you convert it to Naira, it goes up than compared to Naira. You see that then. So if you're in Nigeria and you want to start arbitrage on one app, I'm using this app, one app, to do it. And this is not like instant thing that you will do it and withdraw. No, that is why I'm using only one app. So if you want to understand, then you can chat me and I'll show you how you can do it and make money using, like, let's say 3 apps. But this one I'm using only one app to demonstrate how we do arbitrage for you to see. Yeah. So when you open the app and you see that this where the opportunity is, you can do it. And I'm also hosting a class, one-on-one classes and online classes too. So you can chat to me and I will charge you small, and I will take you through how you can make money through arbitrage. Yeah. So you go to exchange. So let me exchange to Naira. So right now, 1 Naira is equal to 98. 1 Ghana cedi is equal to 98 Naira. And if I change it, converting Naira to Ghana cedis on this platform, if you have 1 Ghana cedis, it's 104, and it means that before you can buy 1 Ghana cedis, you have to have 104 Naira. But in this case, before you can use Ghana cedis to buy Naira, you spending 1 Ghana cedis, you get 98 Naira. But if you have Naira to buy Ghana cedis, you need 104.23 to buy 1 Ghana cedis. I hope I'm making sense here. Let me take my time. If I'm in Nigeria and I want to buy Ghana cedis, if let's say I want 10 Ghana cedis, I have to spend 1,042.34 Naira to get 10 Ghana cedis. But if I'm in Ghana and I want to buy Naira, 10 Ghana cedis, I will get just 981. Do you understand this? So if I'm in Ghana right now and I want to buy Naira, I will get 10 cedis. If I spend 10 cedis, I will get 981. But if I'm using Nigeria currency to get Ghana cedis, for me to get 10 Ghana cedis in Nigeria, for me to get 10 Ghana cedis in Nigeria, I have to spend a lot. I have to spend, let's say, 1,042. You see, yeah. So if I come to this platform and I also calculate from Ghana to dollar, so this is how we do the arbitrage. So watch it very carefully. That's why I've taken my time to do it. So on this platform, if I'm spending Ghana cedis to buy dollar, $1, I will spend 16.28 Ghana cedis. So it means that if I'm using Ghana cedis to buy dollar, $1 will cost me 16.28 for me to get $1. You see that thing? For me to get $1. Yeah. For me to get $1. But if I have $1 and I'm exchanging the dollar for Ghana cedis, $1 will give me 15.34. So it means that if I have dollar and I'm exchanging it to Ghana cedis, the rate now is 15.34 on this app. Yeah. So, but if I have Ghana cedis and I'm using Ghana cedis to buy the dollar, $1, I will spend 16.28 Ghana cedis. So let's use Naira to do it. I'm taking my time to explain everything later for you. So using Naira to buy USD, before I can get $1 in Nigeria, I have to spend 1,700.52. 1,700.52 if I want to get 1 USD. So spending 1,700 Naira for it. But if I have dollars and I'm exchanging it to Naira, $1 will give me 1,574. So this one, you will then use the calculation and compare the Ghana cedis and Naira and see where the opportunity is. But that place, I will not go down details, but if you're a student, you know that I go details. So you know where the opportunity is. So after knowing where the opportunity is, then let's say you want to load your account. So if I come to my Ghana cedis, I'll go to fund here. Fund. If I'm loading it through my bank account or mobile money account, either Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, I will not choose the first one. No, I will choose the Fiancra link. So it will take me to the place, and I've done a video about it. So I'll leave the video in the description how you can load your account, your wallet with mobile money. Yeah, I've done a video about it. Yeah. So then you got load your money, and if you load your money, first of all, you have to exchange your Ghana cedis to Naira. Since the Ghana cedis have more value than the Naira, if you change the Ghana cedis to Naira, it will gain value, and then you will not wait, like you will not like instantly exchange the Naira to dollars. No, you wait small. So when you wait small and you see that right now the Naira to the dollar is very cool, then you exchange the Naira to dollar. And when you exchange the Naira to the dollar, don't exchange the dollar back to Ghana cedis to make a profit right now. No, save the money in your Naira, in your dollar account for, let's say, to see that okay, this is the amount. If I sell this thing, I will get. I hope you get it. Yeah. So, because like if the money is in your dollar account like this, you can exchange your dollar to Ghana cedis and you make profit. But right now, from dollar to Ghana cedis right now is going down. It's going down. So if you convert it right now, you will not be able to make profits. Yeah, but if you wait for some months, that's why I said that normally you have to save the dollars to, let's say, a month for you to say that okay, right now it's going up small and things. Yeah. So after doing this thing, you can make your money. And let me also show you another way. You see, when you go to Paxful to buy dollars, to buy USDT, at times they can say that okay, then they want to send the money, they want to send the USDT through your Eversend account. So you do that thing and you receive the money in your Eversend account. So when you receive the money through your Eversend account, then you can also do the exchange, because they're like Paxful, their rate is very cool. Yeah, and I will do a full video about Eversend and Paxful. But this video, I did this video to enlighten you about how arbitrage is, and I've used this thing for only one app. I'm using only one app to explain everything to you, so that if you want to do something like this, you have to know where the opportunity is and make good use of it. You see that thing? I know people who don't understand will be in a conversation and be like, yo, you didn't do anything, you blah blah blah. I'm here to explain some things to you. That's why I've done the explanation. At times, it's not everything that we have to do to make, like, let's make money now. You have to first of all buy knowledge first. You have to first of all understand what you want to do. People want to make money online easily. Is that thing? But you making money online easily, you may end up being scammed. Is that thing? But when you learn something, when you learn a skill, you cannot make good use of it, because it's your own knowledge and everything that you're using it to make money or to make a career out of it. Is that thing? Yeah. So this is how you do your cedis to Naira to dollars to make profits when the opportunity is there. On this app, at times the opportunity is there for you to do it. When you check and you do your calculation and everything and you see that there's no opportunity, don't do it. We have platform that you can do it with. Let's say you can use Binance with Remitano, Paxful, Bybit. You see that thing to combine these things and do it. Yeah. So I think right now you have fair knowledge about how we do arbitrage and things. Yeah, this one is a currency arbitrage. You do currency arbitrage. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to mentor you, me to guide you, or if you want to buy my course, yeah, I have a Telegram channel in the description. I have a WhatsApp channel in the description. You can chat me one-on-one on my WhatsApp, then I will put you through. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.